Alright, cool. So what is chromatography? Chromatography is a technique that is used to separate different substances within a mixture. Now, an example of a mixture of different substances is food colouring or ink. Right, now food colouring and ink are made from multiple pigments of different colours, and we can actually separate these pigments by using water. Okay, so what we're going to do now is prepare the chromatography paper so that we can separate the ink into its different pigments. Right, so the first thing that we're going to do is draw a line in pencil towards the bottom of the chromatography paper. Right, so what we're going to do now is put some different coloured ink along the pencil line. So I'm going to start with some red ink. I'm just going to draw a circle along the pencil. Then I'm going to use some green. Then I'm going to put some blue ink. And lastly, we're going to use some pink. Right, so what we need to do next is put a straw through the top of the chromatography paper. And then we put the chromatography paper into the beaker. Right, so what we're going to do now is add the solvent to the beaker. In this case, the solvent is water. Right, so when I take out the chromatography paper, we can see that the different pigments within the ink have been separated and have travelled different distances along the paper.